Welcome back to MTDCNC, my friends. So excited, and I'll tell you why. I got one of the superheroes here in India. I got Vimal with me, the Joint Secretary, Department of Commerce. Tell me you're excited. Put your hands together. So good to see you, my friend, and thank you for believing in manufacturing.
I just got to know about this show a couple of weeks back, and since then I've been very eager and very excited to be a part of the show. Vishal has been really after my life that I must be here and I should do the honor of cutting the ribbon for him. So here I am, one of the directors of HMT also, who are the pioneers of machine tooling in the country. But now Vishal is one of the fastest emerging players in the field, and it gives huge pride after seeing the various tools that their company has been developing. They have been entering into mobile technology, mobile manufacturing, which is very new in the country. So far we have been assembling mobiles, but they have now started helping the mobile companies in manufacturing the devices in India. And I have just completed the Bharat Mobility Auto Show. It's a global exposition that is for the entire mobility value chain. So we just completed it yesterday, and we have broken the record in number of footfalls. Even we have crossed the Detroit Auto Show, which has so far been the leader in terms of footfalls in global expositions in the mobility sector.
It's not every day I have the opportunity to speak with someone of your status. So first, just let me say thank you for being here and doing us the honor to share your story and this representation of CTC to our camera. Is it okay for me to ask you just one question about manufacturing in general, the importance of manufacturing, especially here in India? Now, for our audience watching our channel, they know how excited I get about manufacturing. Everyone here knows how excited I get. And I've seen just tremendous growth and belief here in India as you've continued to jump as world leaders in manufacturing. So what does manufacturing mean to you, especially here in India?
Manufacturing is one of the biggest and fastest growing sectors in the country. In fact, manufacturing contributes more than 25% of the total merchandise exports from the country, and with many schemes and incentives that are being devised by the government of India, like the Atmanirbhar Bharat, which emphasizes manufacturing in the country, and we call it Make in India and Make for the World. So that is one slogan and one overarching scheme which encourages manufacturing in the country. Then we have given the production-linked incentives to many sectors, including the engineering sector, in many sectors of the engineering sector. So Government of India is really behind the industry in boosting manufacturing growth in the country. When we are at this show, the machine tool show, I feel that the machine tools are the backbone of the entire manufacturing sector, especially in the engineering field.
Thank you so much for sharing your time.
As
you already know, time is the one thing that we cannot manufacture more of, and you shared it with us today. Thank you to all of CTC. Thank you for being here. On behalf of MTDCNC and all of India, thank you for believing in us, and we're going to do everything we can to honor manufacturing.
Thank you, and all the very best to the entire team of Precision CTC. Thank you, and Vishal in particular, all the very best.